Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. In the case of a singular masculine noun ending into a consonant, the definite article is L, which is preceded by the vowel U. So, noun plus U plus L. For example, bărbat, bărbat, man, becomes bărbatul, bărbatul, the man. We added U and L to bărbat, and thus we have bărbatul. Bărbatul a spălat vasele în timp ce se uita la televizor. Bărbatul a spălat vasele în timp ce se uita la televizor. The man washed the dishes while he was watching TV. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.